Hi, Tom here with this week's Circle Line Art School video, how to draw a VW camper van. First, draw a shoebox shape with a slightly curved top. Now draw a line down the side and then a V shape at the front of the box. I think I'll make the curved roofline a little bit taller. Next, draw a line down the front and at the base sketch in a few lines for the metal bumper. Now, on the long side, draw two shapes for where the wheels will go. And next, just sketch in the wheels. The circles will be at an angle, the same angle that the side of the van is at. The thickness of the wheels will be at a different angle, the angle of the front of the camper van. Next, draw a circle at the front of the VW for the sign and divide the side windows into sections. Sketch in the interior a bit. Erase some of the lines that you no longer need. Now is the time to add a few details. The front headlights, the curved corners of the windows. Extend the V line from the front along the side of the windows, along the base of the side of the windows. Now darken the interior lines a bit. Add wing mirrors and add some details to the front metal bumper. Now draw the VW letters on the front in the circle. And add some hubcaps to the wheels. Now shade the interior in. For this drawing I'm just using a 4B pencil, but anything would work fine. Make the wheel arches really dark. Add some dark shading to the tyres. You could add some mid-tone, sort of soft shading, to the side of the VW camper van. Then add a strong shadow directly below the van. Thank you for watching this drawing tutorial. If you would like to learn more, please visit my website circlelineartschool.com. Thanks for watching and see you next time.